In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Canva. Grouping is a simple but powerful way to keep your layout organized. When elements are grouped, they move, resize, and rotate together, which helps you keep spacing and alignment consistent and saves time when you're making changes across your design. Start by opening Canva and heading to the design you want to work on. Once your canvas is in front of you, choose the elements you want to group. You have two easy options for selecting them. First, you can click and drag your cursor to draw a box around the elements. As you drag, make sure the box cleanly surrounds only the items you want. Anything inside that box will be selected. If you pick up something by mistake, don't worry, click an empty area to clear the selection and try again. The second option is to hold the Shift key and click each element one by one. This is especially handy when your elements are spread out or layered closely, and you don't want to accidentally include the background or other nearby objects. If you miss an item, keep holding Shift and click it to add it. If you selected something you didn't intend to, hold Shift and click it again to remove it from the selection. Take a moment to confirm you've got everything you need highlighted before you group. With your elements selected, it's time to group them. You can do this in whichever way feels most intuitive. Look for the Group button in the toolbar and click it. If you prefer using the context menu, right-click on the selected items and choose Group. Or, if you like keyboard shortcuts for speed, press Ctrl-G on Windows or Command-G on a Mac. If the group option isn't visible, it typically means only one item is selected, so go back and select at least two elements. Once grouped, you'll notice a single bounding box around the set. Now you can drag the group to reposition it, resize from a corner to scale everything proportionally, or rotate it, and all the elements will stay locked together. This helps maintain your layout with far less effort and keeps your design consistent as you make edits elsewhere. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.